Hello friends, in last video we have seen serial communication for Arduino. For this serial communication we use utility in Arduino software. Now in this video we are going to replace that utility using Python. So using Python we are going to communicate with Arduino serially. How to do that we are going to see. So let us open Python here. Python ideally, and in this shell import one library that is serial. The moment we enter it is giving error, means this serial library is not available in this particular Python. So Python community has provided us PySerial library, so we need to install that PySerial library. So just go here, type command, open command prompt. Now we are going to install PySerial library to our computer. For that let us use pip install PySerial. This command will install PySerial library to our laptop. Okay, now it is saying that successfully installed PySerial 3.5. so whether it is installed successfully or not, that we can verify by importing that library in Python. Let us open Python again. Here let us import serial library. Serial, enter, and now it has not given any error, means whatever library we have installed, that is installed successfully. Now by using this library, how we can communicate with Arduino, that we are going to see. This interfacing we have seen in last video. If you haven't seen that video, the link is given in the description. Let me connect this USB cord to my laptop, but before to connect that I would like to show you something. Go to PC, right click, go to manage. This window will open. Go to device manager, and here we must see LPT and COM port. If you watch this list, you are not able to see LPT and COM port. The moment we connect this cord to our laptop, in this particular window you will find some changes and it will create LPT and COM port. The moment I have connected that cord, the list flashed again, and here the new one port is created, that is LPT and COM. If I click it, you'll able to see this USB serial drive COM7. If I remove this particular cable, you'll find that list is flashing again and the port has been vanishes. Now again I'm connecting this port, and again I am able to see this COM port here, so it is creating COM7. So now in Python I'd like to communicate with this COM port 7. So here I'd like to create one object for this serial communication port, that is S. Anything we can write here, means any name, any variable we can assign here. S is equals to serial dot serial. Now I'd like to communicate with COM7, so here I say COM7. So this port can be depending on your hardware communication. In that list, whatever COM port will appear, you have to replace that COM port. And for this communication I want a baud rate of 9600 and timeout equals to 1 second. What is this timeout? It will wait for 1 second for communication, means time duration for communication or waiting period for communication is of 1 second. Baud rate is 9600, means in a 1 second it will transfer 9600 bits. So that is what we can say data transferring speed. Here the moment I enter, so it has created S port. Now I'd like to transfer data to my Arduino. In last video we have seen the moment I transfer 1, this LED gets on, and the moment I transfer 2, this LED gets off. If I transfer any another data, the status of LED remains safe. If it is off, it will remain off. If it is on, it will remain on. So how to transfer that 1 and 0? For that, S command is write, WRITE, and now I am transferring 1 byte, so that's why B must be here and 1. So this will transfer 1. Why there is B? 1 is complete 8-bit data, that's why we have to say it is byte kind of data, as we are transferring 1 byte, so we must write B in front of that 1. The moment I'll enter, you will be able to see this LED glows. Now see, so it has glown. Now I transfer 2. The moment I transfer 2, it becomes off. Again, if I transfer any another data, rather to 1, I am transferring 4. So as it is off, it will remain off. Now I transfer 1. For 1, it will be on, and now again I transfer another data, let us say 0. So now the LED is off, and for this condition it will remain off, as we have not given any meaning to this 0. Friends, in Arduino we have loaded one program. That program is explained in last video. As I already mentioned, the link is given in the description or represented by I button. Now friends, in upcoming video we are going to see animation in Python, so that animated video will control our LEDs, and if LED is on, my animated LED will get on. If it is off, my animated LED will get off. So this beautiful animation we are going to see in upcoming video. In upcoming video we are going to see number of hardware and software communication. With the help of software, Python software, we are going to control hardware, that is Arduino. So friends, in this video series we are going to see interfacing of hardware and software. Means with the help of software, definitely using Python, we are going to control hardware with the help of Arduino. Friends, if you are having any comment, please mention it in the comment section. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.